Welcome back. In today's quick and easy guide, we're showing you how to make Facebook show all comments by default. No more missing replies or hidden feedback. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in so we can access the necessary settings. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several important options. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you'll find all the tools to customize your account experience. Now tap on Settings. This brings you to the main control center for your Facebook account. Scroll down until you see the section titled Followers and Public Content. This section manages how your posts and comments appear to others. Look for the option called Show Most Relevant Comments First and tap on it. By default, Facebook shows only the comments it thinks are most important, hiding others. To see all comments by default, simply turn off the toggle for Show Most Relevant Comments First. Now, every comment will appear in the order it was posted. No filters, no algorithms. And that's it. You've now set Facebook to show every comment by default. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips made easy. Thanks for watching.